Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8th Subject English.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the third chapter of the grammar textbook, the correct uses of pronoun. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. All of you take the page number 20, the correct uses of pronoun. A pronoun can be used as a subject in the subjective case, as an object in the objective case, as a body to express possessions, the possessive case. Subjective case means I, we, you, he, she, it, they, and objective case me, as, yours, him, her, it, them, and possessive case his, its, mine, ours, yours, hers, theirs. And the rule for uses of pronouns. Rule 1, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs are possessive pronoun. They are used in a place of noun. Example, this book is mine. This is mine book. That is wrong. Then second rule, the following pronoun don't take a apostrophes. Here, yours, ours, hers, it's there is not in between there is s, there is no apostrophe. Then rule 3, complement of a verb be is always in an objective case. Then rule 4, object of the verb or preposition should be in an objective case. Please let him go now, not he. Let him. Reflective pronoun, myself, ourselves, yourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves are used where the subject or objective are same person. We helped ourselves. Here subject and objective is same person, ourselves. Then he has hurt herself. Rule 5, reflective pronouns are never used as a subject. Example, yourself can do it easily. You can do it easily. That is correct. Rule 6, reflective pronouns are used after verb plus preposition. He spoke to himself. Did she pay for herself? But the reflective pronoun form is not used when the preposition indicates some place or a space. He took his dog with him, not himself. They put the child between them, not themselves. Number 23, rule number 7, following pronoun always take a singular verb. Each of, either of, neither of, none of, no one, anyone, someone, etc. Either neither is used when the choice is expressed between nouns. Every noun any is used when the choice is expressed between more than two. Here rule 8, when different person pronouns are used together, their order should be second person to third person to first person. You, comma, he and I will go with the girls. But this order is reversed if there is a mention of some fault, first person, third person, second person. If I, comma, he and you are responsible for this loss. Rule 9. When one is used as a pronoun, it should be used throughout. One must do one's duty. One should see what one's eat, not he. Rule 10. A pronoun must agree with its antecedent, and that is the word to which it refer back. All passengers showed their ticket. Every man must bear his burden. And last rule number 11. When the subject of a clause is relative pronoun, and should agree with the antecedents, that is the word to which relative pronoun refer back. He is one of the boy and who have been selected, not as. This is the only one who is the poem that was published, not where.